Well, it's my privilege and honor to inform you all that the chief guest for the unveiling of the plaque, Shri Conrad Kesama, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, sorry. As part of the unveiling of the plaque,
I've just spoken about that. No, I mean, wildlife planted this, no? You just give me...
As part of this entire program, we plant thousands of them along this roads. But what I wanted to share with you was that we have now started using the biodegradable bags. So these bags are no longer plastic. So as soon as we plant them, and once in about 3 months' time, this is about 90 days, the bags will automatically decompose. So this is a very important step towards the entire plantation aspect. And I must congratulate the Soil Conservation, Forest and other departments for taking this very, very important step.
How are punya January the government juga state kan host the national game. Ngam kwa bagi kibru kelang pertai kinwan. Kinyero tangi peliari lekai football league athletics. Kinyero ya kajingkot jongi. Kinyero ya humbleness jongi. Kinyero ya dustur jongi. Kinyero bagi Meghalaya is one of the best city in the country.
Girls School, Lumpare.
And hence it is very important that as a society, as a state, and as citizens, we realize the importance of that. We work together to be able to, as I said, mitigate as well as adapt to the different changes and do our bit to be able to save our environment. Once again, on this very important day, I give my best wishes to each and every one of you, and once again urge all of you that let not 5th of June only be a World Environment Day, but every single day, every morning, we get up, we must remind ourselves that it is World Environment Day. I wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. God bless you, Matela and Jenny.